Crawl. To move slowly on hands and knees. The baby is learning to crawl. The bug crawled on the wall. Yawn. To open your mouth wide and take a deep breath. I yawn when I feel sleepy. She yawned during the long meeting. Ride. To sit on something that moves and go somewhere. I ride my bicycle every morning. We rode on a horse at the farm. Sneeze. To suddenly blow air out of your nose and mouth. I sneeze when I smell dust. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Watch. To look at something carefully. I watch TV every night. She watched a movie with her friends. Jump. To push yourself up off the ground. The kids are jumping on the bed. He jumped when he heard a loud noise. Hit. To touch something hard with hand or object. He hit the ball with a bat. Don't hit your brother. Sell. To give something to someone for money. I sell apples at the market. They sell clothes in that shop. Play. To have fun or do something for enjoyment. The children play in the park. I love to play football. Knock. To hit something, usually a door, to make a sound and get attention. Please knock before you enter. She knocked on the door softly.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!